Black Yoshi and the Bird. So, as you guys know, I hate every episode of SML equally, and this one just sucked really bad. I think Logan should quit YouTube and everything, and it's a very, very crappy video. Nobody should watch it. I'm just gonna yap for the next minute and a half about why I hate literally every SML video that exists. And so I hate literally everything about this video, and I think Logan just should quit YouTube forever. And yeah, I think he should quit YouTube. Oh, and to all my haters, screw you all. You all suck.